Hey guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series, If I Can Do It, So Can You. Today I once again have Mr. Brian West, and we're going to show you how to finish your safety cover install. Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are poolside. We've gone ahead and we've already installed our cables at the end. Now, Brian, tell us what we're going to do to finish up the safety cover install and what you would do if you didn't have a wall at the end for your safety cover install.
Yeah, so we specifically started on the deep end because we had a raised wall cable assembly and we wanted to make sure we could attach the snap hooks without the cover being all tensioned. So now that we've got that attached, we're gonna go down one side, attaching the springs to the anchors, and then on this side of the pool, I'll go down with the Simple Simon installation rod, and then we'll attach this side working to the shallow. Now, if we didn't have a raised wall in the deep end, you're gonna start on whatever side you've unfolded to. So
okay.
if we didn't have a raised wall or anything in general, we're still gonna start at that one end and work our way to the opposite.
Okay, Brian, you guys did a great job getting this cover on, and it didn't take you too long. Do you have any tips or tricks about reinstalling an old safety cover back onto your pool?
Yeah, sure. The straps are already adjusted, the springs are already on the straps, so you shouldn't have to do any adjusting. However, if it was a brand new cover the prior year, there is some stretching that goes along, so you may want to go around and just make sure the straps are all kind of tightened up. And we recommend about 50% tensioning of the spring, so compress it till it's about halfway. This is a Pro Mesh cover, so the water is going to drain straight through this.
Great.
If it was a Hyperlite cover, a solid cover, you might want to take the hose, spray it onto the cover, and make sure that the straps are adjusted so the water either goes to the pump, to the clean screen, or to the SureFlow, which are our three types of drainage.
Excellent. Okay, so, and if you wanted to, you could replace the springs. It just would be a little bit more work for you, but you could do that just by taking all of the old hardware off, kind of guessing where the bends and where it used to be, and then going and reinstalling it like a new cover.
Yeah, you know, the springs are stainless steel, but they do kind of wear on the deck from time to time. So if you had a heavy snow load or a lot of water, a lot of rain one year, the springs may need replacing.
Okay.
So I would recommend you do one at a time. Take one spring off, then you can kind of see the fold in the webbing, put the second one or the brand new one back on.
Excellent, but it wasn't necessary in this case, so we're good to go. And you guys did a great job getting this cover back on the pool, and I think you guys got some great tips from that. So see you next video.
Thank you.